Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials. Check that your Samsung model supports always-on display and that one UI is up to date. Once confirmed, make sure battery saver is off and battery is above 15% so AOD can run. Next, set a secure lock screen method like PIN or biometric because AOD options link to lock screen security. After that, open Settings and head straight to Lock Screen to begin enabling the feature now. You now configure the display details. Go to Settings, Lock Screen, then Always on Display, choose a layout, clock, image, or music so it shows what you need at a glance. Once selected, adjust brightness and set a schedule. Pick Always Show, Tap to Show, or Schedule Hours to save battery. Make sure to test the auto dim and ambient light behavior so AOD only uses power when necessary. If you want, link wallpapers or widgets for quick info. You finish by verifying functionality. Turn the screen off and glance to confirm the Always on Display shows your chosen layout. If it doesn't appear, make sure power saving and battery optimization for AOD are disabled, and check that secure folder or other apps aren't blocking lock screen widgets. Once done, reboot the phone and, if needed, reset AOD settings or install a system update. A single reboot or disabling battery optimization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.